Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And here there is Kiwico one more box, and this is koala crate for 2 5 years old kid. And here I'm having nature box. So the deluxe book is this, Run Wild. My kid really liked it a lot. It's like kind of painted box and kind of just short words like kid running to nature, but my kid really enjoyed the book. And let's see what is in the main box. Somehow I can't do that. Let's see. Nature. A lot of stuff in it. It's like for exploring nature. So there is a Nature Imagine magazine, which is in every. And here is also nature things everywhere. Animals, stories. Okay, so let's see what is in it. There is 3 things: scavenger hunt box, discovery tools, and nature notes to make. Okay, so I will try to find what is what. It's hard to know. Okay, so maybe I'm seeing discovery, some tools, magnifying glass. There is this measuring tape. Then this is from working. Yeah, this is foam rings, soap and frog box. Yeah, I like to make a kind of measuring tape thing. Like we make little frog from this, and clothespin. This you will need also to make that thing. And that's it probably for this discovery tool. Okay, scavenger hunt. Okay, this is the book, nature notes to make. So this is a cute book. Belongs picture. Here maybe it's a bit more bigger kid, but we'll see. And there is pencils also colored. Some cute pencils. And rubbing plates also. So you can color. Oh, like from other side you put this. And you can just cover and it will be flowers. And yeah, different things. Interesting. Okay, so this is nature notes, and the last thing is scavenger hunt box to make. This is maybe from frog. Yeah, probably from frog. Okay, so there is the cord, and here just different scavenger hunt parts, like what you're going to find. And this is the box. Here there is some stickers. Yeah, stickers. And here we are making the box with those things. Basically, I make a box, and then you go to nature. You can collect some things from nature. So this was the box. Maybe, I don't know, it's more of a simple box. like it was, but yeah, it's an interesting thing to do, and especially now that it's spring and summer coming, so I hope we will get some use out of this box. Thanks for watching and see you next time.